Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 7th. Germany surrenders in World War II 1945. On May 7, 1945, Germany surrendered to the Allied forces, marking the end of World War II in Europe. The signing took place in Reims, France, by German General Alfred Jodl. It brought relief to millions after years of war. Although fighting continued in the Pacific, this was a major turning point. The next day, May 8th, was celebrated as Victory in Europe Day. Beethoven's Ninth Symphony premieres 1824. Beethoven's famous Ninth Symphony premiered on May 7, 1824, in Vienna. Despite being completely deaf, Beethoven conducted the performance with passion. The audience gave him a standing ovation he couldn't hear. Featuring the iconic Ode to Joy, the symphony remains one of the greatest musical works of all time. Founding of the American Medical Association 1847. On May 7, 1847, doctors met in Philadelphia to form the American Medical Association AMA. Their goal was to improve medical education and set standards for the profession. At the time, U.S. medicine was disorganized. The AMA brought structure and helped advance public health. Today, it's a leading medical organization. RMS Lusitania sunk by German submarine 1915. On May 7, 1915, a German submarine sank the British passenger ship RMS Lusitania off Ireland's coast. Nearly 1,200 people died, including many Americans. The attack shocked the world and shifted U.S. opinion against Germany. It became a key reason the U.S. entered World War I. Sony founded in Japan 1946. Sony was founded on May 7, 1946, in Tokyo as a small electronics company. After World War II, it grew into a global tech giant. Known for products like the Walkman and PlayStation, Sony helped shape modern entertainment. Its rise inspired innovation worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.